This video will show you how to manage your account in the QA Tracker software. This is the My Account page, and this is where you're going to come to set your agency average score percentage. This box allows telecommunicators to comment on their QAs, and this box allows you to conduct calibrations within your Q team. All of these individual options can be customized by your agency by checking or unchecking the box. This box allows you to include training evaluations if you'd like. This administrative contact info, there's no need to do anything here. We'll fill this out for you when we're setting up your account. Let's go to the Manage Users page. All of the fields with asterisks are required fields, and we do allow you to put dispatchers in a group or a shift. If a dispatcher leaves your agency, we recommend that you mark them not active so that you can maintain their QA records. We do have 3 roles in our system. Administrator allows you to view and see all the information as well as delete certain items. Supervisor can see and view but cannot delete, and a user can only see their particular QAs. Any of the 3 roles can be marked as an evaluator. If you are part of the management approval process, you can mark that box as well. Let's go to Manage Form Attributes. It comes preloaded with the APCO NENA standards, and these are the categories and questions within those standards. So you can choose yes, no, refused, not applicable. Questions, this is where you can edit or add new questions. You select the category that it would go under, type out the question, and give it a point value. This is where you come to edit existing questions. This is where your nature codes are. You can add individual codes, or you can import your nature codes using this system. You just upload an Excel file, and it'll automatically be uploaded into the system. If you have an API with us, you can choose a nature code to be a required queue or disable it from the shuffle. Let's go to Manage Forms. These are the 6 preloaded APCO NENA standard forms. This is where you can go to add a new one. You can name it whatever you'd like, and if it's an external form, you can check this box. We do have a separate video on how to utilize external forms in our system. Manage Alerts. This is where you're going to get notifications when specific infractions occur. So you choose the form, category, question, etc., and you can get notifications sent to these emails that you maintain. And you can also set up a below average alert. Whenever below average is hit, those same people will get that email as well. You can set up alerts for the external forms and get those same notifications sent to those emails. Thank you very much for watching this video.
See more products that save time and deliver accurate results